Is it possible to connect with a departed soul, still feel them?
Yes. So quantum physics proved scientifically that anything that was connected one time remains connected forever. So they experimented with photon. I put down in the book, I think some 10-15 years ago. They split it apart and put it 14 miles apart. And this was a recent study. Whatever they did to one part, other one behaved. That means the conclusion is, once something is connected, remains connected forever. For several examples, like somebody has severed finger, still the sensation remains. Things. If we get injured, healing takes place because there is memory in the cells. They know what to do, even without our conscious knowledge, what to do for healing, how to do it. One time, 3.5 billion years ago, at the time of Big Bang, everything was into this, just like a size of a pea, and it exploded. That means everyone was connected at that time, and everyone is still interconnected, just like that scientific research. That means everyone is interconnected. We can communicate with them, those who are alive, but at the same time, entire universe holds cosmic memory. It's called Akashic record. And scientifically they recognize this, that anyone who ever lived 100 years ago, 1,000 years ago, million years ago, everything is still present in the space. If you tune in, you get connected. So that means there is no limit. And simplest thing we can easily see, like you send an email and the other person doesn't open the email, it doesn't disappear, right? Same way TV waves, radio waves, YouTube. Even I copied my old, VCR tape to DVD to, categorize it and edited it. Still is there, and I can copy and send. So everything is there. So the answer is yes. If we are meditating or we need guidance, we can just relax and connect with higher souls who have wisdom so they can inspire us. What is prayer? What does prayer mean? Prayer means we connect with higher souls. They give us energy, so that inspires us and gives us strength. If you are tuning it wrong way, then you attract wrong kind of energy, So it is up to us. So no power can hurt us and no power can help us. It's up to us what we tune in. That means if you are purity and you are searching for something, it comes. Even in everyday life, law of attraction, when right time comes, you come across the right person. You said you came for the right reason. It just synchronizes, and this is what happens. If it is not right time, people come to me, I want to teach for free, they don't get it. When they are desperate, when they are ready, they catch on each word. It's just a right preparation. So it is not outside, but up to us to purify ourselves, clarity of our intention, and we attract those things. So it is all in our hands. God resides within us as Atman, and we have all the potentials. Actually, Scripture says we are reflection of God. We have all the godly qualities. We are just covered up with impurities like mind, emotions, intellect, attachment, ego, and that is why we don't feel that. Okay. So really, it's a positive message that nothing controls us. We have full power. But people who don't control themselves, then they are subject to all the environment and situation. They are influenced by it. So this is what yoga practice is, meditation practice is. You become the master of your life rather than slave to the world.